Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC40 Rchrg Ultimate 5-Door Auto in stunning green. Packed with luxury features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, this electric SUV is a true standout. With top-notch safety features, including collision avoidance braking and traffic sign recognition, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of hands-free boot release and wireless charging. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us today at XXX-XXX or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style, drive with Volvo.